shame. Why ningalelanga? To everyone that's here, why you not asleep? What's happening? Guys, can you ask me about Giligidi? Yinto engiyaziyo ukuthi kuyenzakalani ngayo, but then labo weekend lolo ezinye, I don't know, guys. Why we doing that? I just got back from a gig and I'm in Bloemfontein, and I'm bored because I miss my man. Hey, Sabonabu, hi baby. Baby to omuhle, yebo uchile. Yebo. I have a horrible headache. I don't know why, but I have a horrible headache. I will not share anything about Giligidi, but you can ask me about the song, but I can't share how the song came about, because there's going to be a video that I drop when the song drops, me explaining the lyrics, and you guys know the lyrics from somewhere. You guys must just, and Papa mean, because everyone knows this chant, but I just put it in a different way and I gave it live, and I was like, what's your biggest regrets? Yo, this one is very, 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 it makes me so emotional. My biggest regret is not going to my grandmother the day she was able to talk, and the first person she wanted to talk to was me, and she called me. And Mzansi, I was at Killer Cow's funeral when my grandmother called me, and she said Nobantu Vilakazi Sat, and I was so happy that she's talking. And then I was like, Mama, because really the initial plan was to go see her the following day. She want to makeup. And then she was like, hey, what's a lamanji? And my mom called me and said, no, my grandmother wants to talk to me. There's something she wants to tell me. But, mom won't be ignorant. I was like, no, mama, because I was with my friends and people that I haven't seen in a while. Just after tears got killer. And the following day when I decided to go see my grandmother, that's the day she passed away. So that's one of the things that I regret in my life, not going to her immediately after she called me, because she wasn't that far. Because it's good Paula. So in an hour's time, 45 minutes, I'm having feel again. But I forgave myself for that a long time ago, because we cannot be stuck up on things that we cannot change. But I so wish I went and she told me whatever she wanted to tell me. But now she went to wherever abantu abashonayo bayakhona with that, and yeah, it pains me all the time when I think about it. But I forgave myself, I won't lie. I hope I answered your question. And whoever has a question can ask, because I'm still here. Yeah, I will heal. I will. One day at a time. I definitely did. The best one. She fights for me, I know. I can feel it. There's so many things that we as human beings go through, and especially hard times. When we're happy, we forget I won't lie. When we're happy, like sakhohlwa into eningi, isikhohlwa nokubonga, you know. But when we're sad, when life shows us that it can really bamba us ngamawashini, that's when we get reminded and sicabanga straight when we're going through the hardest times. And I just know that she's always watching, she's always fighting for me. I can feel it, that it's her, because she's one of the strongest people I've ever come across in my life, and I'm glad that me and her had to cross, like sihlangane, you know, have a path where we share, even if I feel like she was gone too soon before I become the superstar that she knows I was gonna become. And yeah, talking about my grandmother makes me so emotional, because I really, really, really loved that woman, and I still do. The only thing is now, like, I can't show her physically. I can't show her and also see the appreciation, the gratitude from her when I show her that I love her. So yeah. Are there any other questions? How would you motivate an upcoming DJ? I'm struggling. You're not the only one. Everyone is struggling. I won't lie, everyone is struggling. This is the first year Nobantu is a DJ, and I won't lie, it has not been easy. But I know who the fuck I am, and who's a sharp. Do you sleep with the makeup? No, I don't. And I said I just got back. I was eating. I just wanted to electric blanket. It's so cold. But I'm gonna remove it before I sleep. Thank you, Tomzaro. Yeah, I'm wishing kindness. I'm so tired. So you guys don't have any question, then I can gladly sleep. Lunga, can I please have the Donulu in my fucking room? I don't know why is it there. Please, Buddy. Please. How's life treating you lately? I don't know how to put it. Life is life. Life is leg. It's not the best, but at least doing I'm able to push my talent, my passion, and I'm able to do what I love, you know. I'm glad that life is giving me that chance, but it can get better, and I pray on a daily basis for God to show me how better and how good it can get. Yeah, ngicela ukuthi ize la. Ngicela ize la. Yeah. Anginandaba nayo. Oh, okay. Ngiyalazi. Ngitshele guys ngithi bayabuthanda utshwala and sisanendlela ende kusasa sevelcome siya eKimberley yini ngokulahlela because it wasn't nice.
Nami ngizwile.
Bengekho mnandi ne bengathangazi yanini.
Ngisekisile ngoba ufuna utshwala ba. Why ufuna utongulo?
Ngicela utongulo.
Uzoyiphuza?
Yeah. Cabang. Lunga. It was okay. It was okay. It was my first time again in Bloom after 2 years. So the last time I was here was my cool fit 2 years ago. Guys, Shapini. I'm gonna go live tomorrow actually. Properly.